Welcome to Nuer Language School channel. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about how to greet someone in Nuer. And walle banangich kadwa badan deran derode kidera radien dereje larmale keja. Tog English kana tog Nuer. Bi goro bi jenwa kaniri ko ken en channel me ko mi chening chetega ngi mi shibere be shamala shibekeya. Chana jetok. Good morning. Melude, good morning. The meaning of good morning is Shiba Kamal. Shiba Kamal. You use Shiba Kamal for singular, for one person. You use Shaba Kamal for plural. Shiba Kamal, Shaba Kamal is good morning. The meaning of good morning is Shiba Kamal, Shaba Kamal. Good afternoon. The meaning of good afternoon. Shibut Kamal. You use this Shibut Kamal for singular. You use Shabut Kamal for plural. Shibut Kamal, Shabut Kamal. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Shitian Kamal. Shitian Kamal. You use it for singular. Shatian Kamal, you use it for plural. Shitian Kamal, Shatian Kamal. Good evening mean Shitian Kamal, Shatian Kamal. Good night. Good night. The meaning of good night is Nini Kamal. Nini Kamal for singular and Niene Kamal for plural. Niene Kamal. Nini Kamal. Good night. Nini Kamal. Or you can use Niene Kamal for plural. Hi Male. Hi Male. How are you? How are you? Jine Teddy ni. Jine Teddy ni. Or you can just simply say it Male. How are you? Jine Teddy ni. This you can use it for singular and you can use yen tedini for plural. Yen tedini, yen tedini. How are you? You can use it for male also. Okay, how are you? In short, just use male. How are you? Male. Bye. Bye. Jali Kamal. Jali Kamal. Bye. Jala Kamal. Bye. Jali Kamal, you use this when you are saying it to one person, or you use this for singular, and Jala Kamal, you use it for plural. Jali Kamal for singular, Jala Kamal for plural. Bye Jali Kamal, bye Jala Kamal. Goodbye Teni Kamal, Taya Kamal. Teni Kamal for singular, Taya Kamal for plural. Goodbye, Teni Kamal. Goodbye, Taya Kamal. Goodbye, Teni Kamal. Goodbye, Taya Kamal. Gwasime ko brand betuk bajangach. Nuer Language School gore jeno der channel der support der subscribe. Ko mi chete ngi mi baraj de shwamala shibeke jikapet. Ko jen do brand betuk bajangach keje. Banajek kangi jadian biata Kamal.